Hi guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial series where you pick the sound. In my latest video I showed you two sounds to pick from, and most of you voted on sound A, which was a massive bass, and the sound was this. Which is a cool bass sound because it's a little growly and nasty, but as you will see, the patch itself is really easy. Okay, so let's drop a new massive, initialize the patch, and I will use the second and the third oscillator. The second oscillator will be a Chrome 1, and the third will be an... where is it? There are too much. Here, strontium, that's it. Okay, so the Chrome oscillator's wavetable set about 2 o'clock. Use band minus plus, and that knob set about 3 o'clock. On the strontium, leave as it is everything and pull up to the maximum. The most important will be here the modulation. One of the most important will be the modulation oscillator. Set the pitch about to 36 and follow these steps. Everything will be on the second oscillator except the position. Okay, the ring modulation will be nothing. The phase will be about 2 o'clock. The position, set the position to about, I don't know, 10 o'clock or between 10 and 11. And the filter FM, pull it up to the maximum. Okay, so this was the modulation oscillator. We will use a serial filter chain, and on the first choose double notch, and we will control the cutoff of the filter with envelope 1, and set an envelope to a slide attack and a slide decay. And let's use about, I don't know, this kind of modulation amplitude. So right now it sounds this. It's not very drastic, I know. But now let's step further. We will use a sine shaper. And on the second insert effects, we will use a frequency shifter and pull the pitch to down and the dry wet to about the half. Okay, so a very important part will be here the routing, because you will have to use insert 2 after the whole chain. Insert 2 will be here, that's cool, and the feedback will be here, that's cool, but we won't use the feedback. So right now it sounds this. Okay, let's use the classic tube. Let's get to the voicing tab, and we will use 2 unison. Okay. Okay, we have the tone now. So try to play with the attack and the decay time on the filter cutoff. So you have this cool, growly and evil tone. Let's copy the MIDI onto our new channel and let's see what we have. Okay, that's cool for now. And let's see the effects. We will use an EQ8, wherein we boost the bass, the very sub bass, and we decrease the middle bass at about 300 Hertz, and we boost the mids a little. Okay, right now the sound is a lot more evil. Let's use a phaser and set the phaser frequency about 1.86 kilohertz. Decrease the drive at to 50%. And you may play with the settings, which is really cool at growls. I mean, the phaser effect is really works cool on the growls. Right now I am leaving the pulse at 4 only, and on earth. Okay, I used an overdrive too. And of course, like always, you should use a sub. And I love using subs from Operator. Let's play with the settings a little. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, this was all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and will enjoy the sound. And we will see next week's Friday, probably, where I will upload another video about picking a new sound from A or B. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll see you next week, guys.